I'm not going to blow my own horn. I'm just too modest for that. But these young guys insisted on doing it for me. On May 11th, Nancy and I got invited to the Pennsylvania Academy's President's Lunch. I was going to receive an Alumni Service Award as a thank you for all the short movies I have made about Academy graduates and student shows over the past 11 years. PAFA is the best school I ever attended, and to know my love for it is not entirely unrequited fills me with pride and happiness. The food was superb, the company distinguished, and it was graduation day. I talked to one bright-eyed young man who just received his treasured 4-year certificate. We're here with recent Academy graduate Al Gurry. Congratulations, young man.
Thank you. I'm looking forward to starting my career.
I think it'll be very bright.
Thank you, John.
A 1976 graduate of PAFA and longtime professor of art there, Al Gurry tragically lost his home, studio, beloved animal friends, and possessions in a fire last February. One of those possessions was his Academy certificate. There was not a dry eye in the house when today they presented him with a new one. That was a great thing that they did.
It was lovely. It was so wonderful.
Did you have any idea they were going to
No,
do this?
I had no idea. It was so thoughtful of everybody.
Next, it was time to go see the fantastic 117th Annual Student Exhibition. The Academy is the nation's oldest and one of its best art schools. As always, one is overwhelmed by the depth and range of artistic creativity on display by a new generation of Academy-trained artists. The Academy has a long figurative tradition. After all, Thomas Akins once ran the place. As times have changed, that tradition is being maintained, but is supplemented with new forms of art. Installations and media-influenced work abound in this exhibition. There is so much to see in PAFA's 117th Annual Student Exhibition, so make sure you check it out by June 3rd. Besides a great education in the creative life, there is another big advantage to being an Academy graduate. After the show's opening, there's a wonderful alumni reunion in the historic Furness Building, where you get to rub elbows with your friends and fellow graduates, and one of the best collections of American art in the world. Thanks, PAFA, for the love that you showed me and all who enter your halls.